Hey, this is Ashley from Alexandra Photography and Design, and I'm about to show you how quickly and easily you can insert your own artwork into these picture frame mock-ups. Let's get started. So after you've downloaded your picture frame template, you'll open it up by double-clicking on the file. And it's going to give you some instructions that you can read, and then when you're ready you can just hide them by clicking the visibility icon here, the little eyeball. And then I've got some sample artwork in there for you to give you a look at what your artwork will look like. And so what you can do here is just simply delete them. Sample art here and sample art here. Okay, so now it's time to put in your artwork. So let's open up some new artwork to put inside our frames. So you can either load your image, copy and paste it onto this image, or you can just drag and drop. I'm going to take this, let's choose this guy, drag and drop over. And so when you just drag and drop, it's going to import the layer as a smart object. And you'll get to adjust the size here, the placement, hit enter. And I'm going to move this art up above the proper paste your art above layer. And then I'm going to right click on the layer itself, on the artwork layer, and hit create clipping mask. So that is going to place it behind the frame. So if you hit Command T, you can move your layer around a little bit to get the best placement. Looks good there. And then let's put one in our little frame down here. So clicking on the paste your art above to make sure that we're pasting our photo in the right placement. Let's do this one. Shrink this down a bit. Adjust it over top of the frame. It's good. Hit enter. Head over to your artwork layer, right click, and hit create clipping mask. Okay, so as you can see, these two pieces of artwork that we just framed had a transparent background. And the background by default is this nice off-white color. But say you wanted to give it a different color. You can click on the paste your art above layer, hit U to select your shapes tool, and then up here at the top you've got a fill option. So you can fill these little background boxes with whatever color you like. Absolutely, options are endless here. So if you like keeping it white, maybe a little more white than that off-white, choose white, choose black. It's totally up to you, whatever is going to look the best with your artwork. And naturally, if your artwork doesn't have a transparent background, then it's just going to fill the space anyway. And you'll notice here on the side in your layers panel that I've got a few extra goodies. So number one are these noise layers. So these add just a little bit of noise over top of the space where your art is going to be, just to match the picture, how the picture naturally has a little bit of grain, a little bit of noise. So you can click the visibility on and off and you'll notice just a slight difference. You probably won't even see it in the video. But if you decide you don't want those, you can always hide them. And then as well as the editing style here that I've added, you can turn the visibility on and off. You'll see that it's just a slight vibrancy increase, a little bit more contrast, it's a little brighter. And when you open up that group of the editing style, you can go in and turn the visibility on and off on these as well. See if you want to change them at all. You can up the vibrancy if you want, just to give you a few different options. And that's that. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you get as much enjoyment out of these as I did out of making them. Have a good one.